In this video, we're going to walk through a complete end-to-end Odoo sales flow, from the back-end setup to the customer portal experience. We'll start by creating a sales order, then resolve a common issue by creating and assigning a warehouse. After that, we'll grant portal access to the customer and review exactly what the invitation email and customer login look like. Finally, we'll switch to the customer's point of view to see how sales orders, delivery status, and invoices appear inside the Odoo customer portal. This is a must-watch if you're setting up Odoo Sales, Inventory, and Customer Portal correctly in Odoo 19. We begin by opening Odoo and navigating into the Sales application. From here, we create a new quotation and select our test customer. At this point, the sales flow looks complete. The customer is selected, the product is added, pricing is correct. But when we try to proceed, Odoo stops us with a warning indicating that no warehouse exists for this company. This is a common situation in new Odoo databases. Even if you're selling a very simple product or service, Odoo still requires a warehouse to manage delivery logic in the background. Without it, sales orders cannot move forward. So we click Go to Warehouses, which takes us directly to the warehouse setup screen. We create a warehouse for the company and assign a short internal code. This short name is important because Odoo uses it internally to generate stock locations, picking operations, and delivery routes. Once saved, the warehouse is now active and available for use. Next, we return to the sales order and open the Other Info tab. Here, we explicitly select the newly created warehouse. This step is critical. Even if a warehouse exists, Odoo does not always auto-assign it to sales orders. Once the warehouse is selected, the error disappears and the quotation can proceed normally. Now that the sales order is properly configured, we move on to customer access. From the customer record, we open Portal Access Management and grant portal access to the customer's email address. Odoo checks that the email is valid and unique, then sends an automated invitation email. We switch to the customer's inbox and review the invitation. The email clearly explains that an account has been created and includes an Activate Account button. Once the customer clicks this link, they set their own password, which means you never see or manage customer passwords inside Odoo. After activation, we log in as the customer and enter the Odoo customer portal. This is where it's important to understand exactly what customers can and cannot do. From the portal, the customer can view all of their confirmed sales orders. They can see order numbers, order dates, totals, and current delivery status. They can open individual sales orders to review details and track progress without contacting your team. The customer can also see delivery status updates. Before delivery validation, the order shows as not delivered. After we validate the delivery in the back end, the portal updates automatically, giving the customer real-time visibility into fulfillment. Once the sales order is invoiced, the customer can view their invoices directly in the portal. They can open invoices, download PDF copies, and maintain their own records. This dramatically reduces invoice requests and follow-up emails. However, there are important limitations by design. The customer cannot edit sales orders. They cannot change quantities, pricing, products, or warehouse settings. All commercial control remains with your internal team. The customer cannot validate deliveries or mark orders as shipped. Inventory operations remain strictly internal to protect stock accuracy. The customer cannot edit invoices, adjust taxes, or apply credits. They only have read-only access to finalized financial documents. Depending on your configuration, the customer may be able to pay invoices online, but only if online payment methods are enabled. Otherwise, invoices remain view-only. This controlled access is intentional. Odoo's portal is designed to provide transparency without compromising accounting, inventory, or internal controls. We switch back to the backend, validate the delivery order, then create and post the invoice. As soon as the invoice is posted, it becomes visible in the customer portal automatically. From the customer's perspective, everything updates in real time. No emails, no attachments, no manual follow-ups. This end-to-end flow shows how Odoo connects sales, inventory, invoicing, and the customer portal into one secure and efficient system, giving customers visibility while keeping operational control with your business. As you can see, when Odoo is configured correctly, the entire sales lifecycle, from quotation to delivery to invoice, is fully transparent for both your internal team and your customers. This setup reduces manual work, improves customer experience, and gives your business a professional, scalable workflow. If you want step-by-step Odoo training, real business use cases, and CPA-level implementation guidance, visit www.katielinks.com. We specialize in Odoo accounting, sales, inventory, and customer portal setups. Done the right way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.